To understand the scale of what happened in April 2026, we need to go back. December 14th, 1972. Astronaut Eugene Cernan climbs the ladder of the lunar module, takes his last step off the surface of the moon. And after that, no one. 54 years of silence.
In those 54 years, entire generations were born who never watched a live broadcast from the moon. Technology moved forward. The phone in your pocket holds more computing power than the entire mission control in Houston had in 1969. And yet, the moon stayed out of reach. Why so long? Politics, budget cuts, loss of interest. After winning the space race, there was simply no reason to go back. Until now. And this time, the reason is far bigger than planting a flag.
Today, the moon is no longer just America's goal. China has announced plans for a crewed lunar landing before 2030. Private companies are building rockets. And most importantly, there is water on the moon. Ice, hidden in craters near the poles. And water means fuel. Water means oxygen. Water means life. That is why Artemis is not just going back. This is the first step towards staying, building a base, using the moon as a launch pad for Mars. And Artemis II was the first real test. Are we ready?
April 1st, 2026. Kennedy Space Center, Florida. For the first time in over half a century, humans are going back. The Space Launch System ignites. 3 million kilograms of thrust. And 4 astronauts begin their journey to the moon. Their names: Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen. The first crew to travel beyond Earth orbit since Apollo 17. For 3 days, they traveled through deep space. No planet beneath them. No station to dock with. Just the crew, the capsule, and the void. Then, the moon appeared. April 6th, day 6 of the mission. The Orion capsule reaches its closest point, just 7,400 kilometers above the lunar surface. Close enough to see craters with a naked eye. Close enough to feel exactly how far from home they were. And then, something happened that no human had witnessed in 54 years. The Earth set behind the moon. The crew captured it. A photograph. Earth disappearing behind the lunar horizon. Dark, silent, infinite. The same image that Apollo 8 made legendary in 1968, now taken again, by the first humans near the moon in over 5 decades. But that was not the only record broken. On April 6th, at the furthest point of their trajectory, 252,756 miles from Earth, the greatest distance any human being has ever traveled from our planet, a record held by Apollo 13 since 1970, shattered. From that distance, they photographed the Milky Way, Saturn, Mars, things we only see in textbooks, seen with human eyes, further from Earth than anyone before them. On April 10th, splashdown. 10 days, 2.2 million miles traveled, multiple world records broken, and humanity back in the game. Artemis II was not the finish line. It was the starting gun. Next comes Artemis III, planned for mid-2027. This mission will test something critical: docking in Earth orbit with the next generation of lunar landers. SpaceX Starship, Blue Origin, the final pieces before humans touch the moon again. And then, Artemis IV, 2028. The first lunar landing since 1972. 2 astronauts on the surface at the south pole of the moon, where the ice is, where the future base will be built.
After that, NASA plans at least one landing every year, a permanent lunar outpost by 2032. And then, the reason all of this exists. Slow Mars. Every mission, every record, every photograph taken from 252,000 miles away is one step closer to the first human footprint on another planet. We are not just going back to the moon. Slow, we are learning how to leave. So here is a question. For you, when do you think the first human will stand on Mars? Leave your answer below, because history is being written right now.